Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies, and in this video we are going to discuss the ideas and major works of Simone de Beauvoir. Introduction. Simone de Beauvoir, a French philosopher and novelist, stands as a pioneering feminist thinker whose influence extends far beyond the borders of her native France. Known as the emblematic intellectual woman of the 20th century, her prolific body of work and her role as a social activist have secured her reputation globally. This video explores Beauvoir's major works, her early life and education, key realizations and influences, the reception and controversy surrounding her ideas, criticism and legacy, significant contributions to understand her enduring impact on feminist literature. Major works. Beauvoir's contributions to literature and philosophy are vast, with over 25 books to her name. Her philosophical works include Pyrrhus et Cines, 1944, The Ethics of Ambiguity, 1947, and her seminal work, The Second Sex, 1949. These works laid the foundation for modern feminist theory and existentialist ethics. In fiction, she explored complex themes through novels such as She Came to Stay, 1943, The Mandarins, 1954, The Woman Destroyed, 1968. Her memoirs include Memoirs of a Dutiful Daughter, 1958, The Prime of Life, 1960, Force of Circumstance, 1963, and All Said and Done, 1972, provide intimate insights into her personal and intellectual journey. Early life and education. Beauvoir's academic journey was marked by significant achievements and challenges. She initially studied mathematics, classics, and literature before focusing on philosophy. In 1929, she passed the prestigious aggregation examination at the Sorbonne, becoming the youngest agrégée in philosophy and only the ninth woman to achieve this distinction. Her lifelong relationship with Jean-Paul Sartre, who received the highest mark that year, was both intellectually and personally significant, influencing her philosophical perspectives and career. Realization and influence. A pivotal moment in Beauvoir's life came in 1946 during a conversation with Sartre, where she fully recognized the profound differences between being born a woman and a man. This realization led her to investigate the condition of women in its broadest terms, culminating in her most influential work, The Second Sex. This book, echoing the opening words of Rousseau's Social Contract, proclaimed the birth of the free woman and fundamentally challenged the existing patriarchal structures. Reception and controversy. The Second Sex was groundbreaking in its exposure of patriarchal hypocrisies, but it also provoked significant backlash. The French intellectual establishment, including figures like Albert Camus and Francois Mauriac, launched outraged attacks on Beauvoir. In her memoir Force of Circumstance, she recalled the hysteria and personal attacks she faced, illustrating the intense resistance to her ideas. Despite the moral courage and intellectual achievement of her work, Beauvoir often found herself ignored or vehemently dismissed by prominent French feminists such as Julia Kristeva, Louise Irigaray, and Hélène Cixous. Criticism and legacy. Despite the criticism from her contemporaries, Beauvoir's legacy has endured. An important exception to her treatment by French feminists is Michel Leduoff, who in Hypatia's Choice recognizes the significance of the second sex as both a work of materialist feminism and a philosophical critique. This recognition underscores Beauvoir's lasting impact on feminist theory and her role in advancing women's rights and gender equality. Significant contributions. Simone de Beauvoir's contributions to philosophy and literature are immense. Her extensive body of work spans philosophy, fiction, and memoirs, each contributing to the discourse on gender, existence, and freedom. Her role as a social activist further solidifies her place as a crucial figure in feminist thought, inspiring generations of women and intellectuals to challenge societal norms and pursue equality. Simone de Beauvoir remains a foundational figure in feminist philosophy. Despite facing significant controversy and criticism, her works continue to inspire and provoke thought within contemporary feminist discourse. Her exploration of women's conditions, existential ethics, and commitment to social activism ensure that her legacy as the emblematic intellectual woman of the 20th century endures. Through her writings, Beauvoir has left an indelible mark on the world, challenging us to reconsider the roles of women and the structures of society. So this was the discussion on the ideas and works of Simone de Beauvoir. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.